Yo, what's up guys? So as you can see, I got a new haircut. It's just nice. But anyway, in this video I'm gonna show you probably the best mod in my opinion for BMWs that is like less than 20 bucks. So here's the package. Let's open it up. Look at the package. And trust me, trust me, here it is. Yeah, it's a button that goes over here. It's gonna be way bigger than this one, and in my opinion it's gonna change the look of the interior, and it's really big, so it's probably gonna feel more comfortable using. So let's unpackage this thing. So I finally found a tool to get this thing out. It's just like the sharp blade, and I'm gonna try to just like get it out of there. Okay, so here it is. It came out, and now I think after we take this top piece out, this one, I scratched it a little bit, but anyway, you have this ring that you get, two sides. You need this side, and so this thing has to be on top. This rubber ring. So let's just try and push it down. It's kind of going on. So okay, it's kind of weird installation, but okay, it's on. It feels nice to use it. And I guess I have to tape that on there like that. So to do so, there should be some tape over here. This thing is sticky, the middle part, and also these stripes, if you can see them. I'm pretty sure I gotta pull. It's a double-sided tape. Okay, yep, as you can see I took two of them out, and now this is what it looks like. It's like this basically. Now I just need to line it up correctly and put it on. And now I'm holding it down, as you can see, just holding it down so the glue can stick. Okay, I think it's good now. Damn, this thing is huge. It looks good. Look how big it is. Damn. Let's try it out. Yep. As you can see, everything is working. It moves. And it's nice. It feels luxury. It feels really fat and big. That's what she said. But anyway, it looks cool. In my opinion, it feels nice, better than what I had before. So yep, if you guys are interested in getting one, I'm gonna leave a link down below if you guys want to get it. And it's only 18 bucks to install this bad boy. So yeah, you guys should definitely get it. In my opinion, it's pretty cheap. Changes the look of your car. Pretty sure it fits a lot of different BMWs, so you just gotta make sure it fits yours. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.